Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that some macOS users might encounter. So, has the Swapon installation given you trouble on your macOS 13.3.1 with an M1 chip? Let's dive into the issue and find a solution together. Now, onto the solution. The message you receive from Homebrew clearly states that there's no Homebrew formula for Swapon. However, if someone has ported Swapon from Linux to macOS, you might be able to compile it from the source. Although, the feasibility of such a port is uncertain. You could check out a project like Disable Swap Memory macOS 14 on GitHub for managing swap on macOS. Just a heads up, disabling swap may not be the best idea as it could lead to system crashes. In summary, if you're facing challenges installing Swapon on your macOS device, it's likely due to the absence of a Homebrew formula. While compiling it from source may be an option if a port exists, disabling swap on macOS could have adverse effects. I hope this information helps you navigate through the problem seamlessly. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.